In this video, I show you how to fix Google apps not working on Android. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Google, tap on it. Now update your Google app. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Google app, tap on Google, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK. Now tap on Storage and Cache, Manage Space, then clear all data, then OK. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Google app. Now search something. Now I hope that this method fix Google apps not working on Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget